Today we are doing the last birthday.
Today we are doing the 2-ingredient dough experiment, or making dough, I guess you could say.
So guys, we have baking soda and what?
Conditioner.
Conditioner.
So whatever conditioner you have at home. We decided to put the recipe in half. You could add to this if you had more, but we didn't have very much conditioner. So we're gonna put in our baking soda. We are gonna use 2.5 cups of baking soda.
He's done.
Put it in.
He's going baking soda.
Put it in.
He's done.
Shh, don't tell him. There you go. Okay. So that's 1 cup. And why don't you put in the conditioner while I finish that. So any kind of home conditioner it sounds like you have for your hair, anything you have at home is fine.
Okay.
1 cup of that. And here's our other cup of baking soda. Good job.
Whoa.
And here's our last little bit, the half.
The baking.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna mix it all up.
Yeah.
All right, Jackson, do you want to mix it with your hands or do you want to use a spoon?
A spoon.
Okay. Here,
So
let's
I'm going to
pull up your sleeves. There you go.
Pull
All right,
up
go
your
ahead. All right, tell them how it's going there.
It's going good, guys. See how it's going? It's like very poppy.
Yeah.
Very messy.
So there's what it looks like. Keep stirring, keep stirring.
Is it getting more funner?
More fun. Funner's not a word.
Is it done?
All right, let's stir it just a little bit more to really make it a dough. And then I think you're gonna need to use your hands, Jackson, to get it the rest of the way there. We may need a little more conditioner if it needs to be wet, okay? So now, here's what I think you should do. Knead the dough with your own hands,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
Really stick them in there.
Ah! It's very cold, guys.
It is cold, yeah, it's the conditioner. All right, get it in there. All right, so eventually that's gonna be dough. What do you say, Jackson?
Bye.
Bye, friends.
Make sure you give us a thumbs up on our videos. Have a fun time.
Bye.
Cha-cha-cha anymore.
Cha-cha-cha.